LCM stands for lowest common multiple. In other words, the first number that is common in the list of multiples of two or more numbers. A multiple is a number that can be divided by another number without a remainder. It is a product of a number multiplied by another whole number. In simple words, multiples are tables. For example, 5, 10, 15, 20 are multiples of 5. So, to find the LCM of 8 and 12, we would write their multiples first. Then identify the number that is common in both of them. So the LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. Another method to find the LCM of 8 and 12, which we can call ladder method, can save time. We can write both the numbers and extract the common factors. So we write 8 and 12 and take common factors out of the ladder on the left side, and shift the number down after dividing by the factor. We did not change 3, shift it down as 2 is not its factor. We stop at until 1 is reached, then we multiply the extracted factors. And here we go, the LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. Another example is to find the LCM of 16 and 20, we would write their multiples first, then identify the number that is common in both of them. So the LCM of 16 and 20 is 80.